James. I'm wondering if a juvenile and another person checked in here earlier today.
This is Tyler Thompson, and he had just stepped into one of the biggest messes of his life. It all began on February 18th, 2021, when deputies responded to a missing child report after the girl failed to return home or show up to her basketball game. A friend told investigators she planned to meet a man online, possibly named Tyler, from Orlando, and that he may have picked her up at a Dollar General in Oak Hill. With that lead, deputies launched a complex investigation, one that would hinge on what they found in the surveillance footage.
Hello. Good, thank you. Do you guys have any cameras outside at all?
It's outside the door, I think.
There's one outside? I didn't see any outside.
Well,
Hey, do you guys have any cameras outside? Not outside? How long have you been at work?
Huh? Oh, here? Since 5.
5, okay. Basically, I'm missing a juvenile left school and possibly was picked up by a guy here.
Okay.
And
Would he have used the phone or?
It's possible if he just picked her up and left. I mean, obviously, I'm not going to see anything because you don't have cameras outside. But if they walked in, I'm kind of wanting to get an idea of who he is. And
Around what time am I going to look for?
I'm looking at today from school gets out around 3:15ish, so I'm thinking 3 to 3:30. And if you're busy and want to show me how to play with it, I don't mind doing that as well. Okay, so that time is correct in there?
Yes.
Okay.
And then do we know what vehicle would have been done?
Possibly a bright blue vehicle, but I have no clue. And this is what she looks like. She's only 13.
Yeah, she does not look familiar. I mean, I was here
5.
until right at 3. Left at 3.
What time do you guys close today?
10 o'clock.
Okay. You're the manager here?
Yes.
Okay. So she doesn't look familiar to you at all?
No, not like a normal.
A friend of hers said that she was being picked up here by this guy. Again,
That looks like her.
It was her?
To me, that looks like.
625, copy, burglar alarm.
Was he? Let's see there. How long is her hair?
117 Fisherman's Cove Drive, Dumpton Master Bedroom.
Yeah, it looks to be about like right here. I don't know.
Yeah,
if
her
it's
hair's
like
shorter than that.
I mean, is that like a super recent picture though?
She says she looks pretty much like this. Is the her hair's down her shoulders, her grandmother said. That's pretty close.
Yeah, because she has bangs and everything, so it's a...
What does she wear? She wearing stockings there?
Yeah, like pink or red stuff.
Okay, she's supposed to be wearing stockings, but again, that's a uniform, so it looks pretty close to her. All right, let's see if she's.
I can see. Hold on, let me. If there's any other angles of her, then we can get a better description. Oh, right there.
That's pretty close,
Yeah.
man. Yeah. only by Wi-Fi though.
Well, we have Wi-Fi available here.
Okay, maybe that's what she's doing. All right, so 320. It looks like her, I think. Yeah. I think
I was
her.
gonna say, like, well, she just doesn't look familiar of like all the kids that we have stop by.
Right.
And that's why I'm like, as soon as I saw her at the door, I'm like, that does not look like normal. That's not normal to me.
Got a she's getting a cart. Nice.
That definitely. I mean,
I think it's
I'm
her.
convinced that's
because
her.
it matches her clothing description because she had on some striped red or pink stockings
Okay.
and a uniform. So I'm almost positive that's her. It looks it's almost identical to what she should look like,
Okay.
and she's there at the perfect time.
See, I'm wondering if someone comes in and gets her.
Yeah, that's gonna be. If I could see that, that'd be phenomenal. She's right there. Yeah.
You know, a whole bunch of stuff.
Is that a shirt she put up there?
Yeah, she's kind of hung up on the side.
Now, Bravo 16 Central, copy traffic stop. Go ahead. South on 2nd Avenue, Florida Tag Juliet, Alpha Lima Signal 06, on the Black HB.
She
Copy.
should have a register on it.
Is there any way we can tell what she bought? Soda.
Yeah, so a pack of soda. Another energy drink.
What in the world was that? Damn it.
Go ahead. 5 on South Riverside Drive.
Oh, wait, no.
Oh, there she is. Okay.
License plate 1 Fox
Oh, someone parked across the street.
Yeah, somebody parked over.
Copy.
She was there for about 40 minutes.
Yeah, nothing else.
Man.
But at least you know she
Yeah,
was here.
at least I know she was here. Yeah, that's awesome. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no, of course.
Okay.
What's
What's that?
I wish you
I
would.
know, I got very little to go on here.
Oh, man.
Thank you. That,
I know, I
that,
keep telling him, like, for this area, we need cameras outside, but pulling tooth and nail.
yeah.
After a few minutes of carefully reviewing the store's surveillance footage, the officers knew exactly where to look.
Hello. Hey, so my name is Deputy James. I'm wondering if a juvenile and another person checked in here earlier today.
I haven't
Have
had,
you seen that? Her?
if that is the same girl, they were here, do you have a picture of him?
No. Don't even know what he looks like.
That looks like the girl that checked in, 2 days ago. Her mother from Michigan.
No, she would have been here with an unknown, probably male. Wouldn't have been with her mother. It wouldn't have been with her mother.
Now, Bravo 16 Central, copy traffic stop.
And this most likely would have been a check-in of yesterday, most likely today.
No, I haven't had no check-ins today.
No check-ins today?
It wasn't yesterday.
No reservations for yesterday?
No, sir.
Okay.
But she's got blonde hair.
Oh, sorry.
Does that look like the blonde? The girl
Girl had a little tight jumpsuit
that her mother got the room for them, her and her boyfriend.
That looks like it.
That does kind of look like her.
That was 2 days ago?
That's
Yeah.
Okay. Were they here just for that day 2 days ago?
Just
Okay.
for one night.
Okay.
They had, they're on the iPad. I got their ID on my,
Oh,
I
cool.
took pictures of it.
Well, she's only 13, so she wouldn't.
Oh, she's 13?
Yeah, she's only 13.
Oh, no, this one is 20.
Oh, no. This girl's 13.
Well, let me show it to you, just
Okay.
maybe she had a fake eye, you know, you never
Okay.
know.
Yeah, she's like 5'1", really short,
Yeah, she was,
100 pounds, a little over 100 pounds maybe.
that's, there'll be 3 IDs together. I took a picture of her mother's too. No, the work iPad.
Oh.
That's on the,
Sorry to bother you guys so late.
no worries. You said that she's 13.
In this area, are there any other local hotels? I know
Yes,
there's
sir.
1 or 2 right up there.
Going that way, there's not. But if you go back towards North New Smyrna, you got all suites.
Yeah, I was.
Oh, okay. These are the ones that checked in.
Okay.
That's the mother.
Mother.
Yeah, and then that's the girl that checked in. And,
Okay. Yeah, no.
And that's her boyfriend.
Okay. Yeah, no, that wouldn't be her.
You could do all suites.
Yeah, I was looking at the hotels in the area. This is the first one coming up from Oak Hill.
Yep, so you got all suites, then you have, Best Western, of course, Pools Motel.
Yeah, Best Western, I see that one.
Yeah.
All Suite, I see that one. Okay, I'll make my way up there.
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The officers knew they were on the right track. Motel staff had confirmed, more than once, that both the girl and the man had been there. Now, all that remained was the final step: locate and arrest him. And that was going to be the hardest part.
Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm looking for a juvenile that looks to be ran away from home today. And we have information she may have checked in to a local hotel with an adult. This is what she looks like. Any check-ins today?
Only one check-in before I came in, and that was at James Summers.
James Summers, and that was today.
Yeah, that was today, and that would have been before 3 o'clock. I come on 3 o'clock till 9.
Okay, so that's the only check-in all day?
That's the only check-in up to that point in time.
You have a key? Yeah. Because now they're not answering the door. If so.
That's master for every room. Here.
Okay.
That particular.
Get Pappy up here. Thanks. You can't do anything. Matter of fact, let me have a talk with you. We're here investigating something. If you give us any trouble, this is going to be...
Just stay here, okay? You're okay.
You just sit your ass there and don't move until you're instructed.
Is there anyone else here?
You get in any trouble,
No, there is not.
I'm going to have to report on that. Because I ain't happy right now.
Okay. Oh, no, you're okay. You're all right.
Yeah, you're fine, sweetheart.
You're okay.
Perfectly fine.
You're all right. You're okay.
Here or think you're in trouble, do not think that. You are perfectly fine. We're like best friends right now, okay? All right?
I'm just really nervous.
You're okay.
Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You are literally my best friend right now, okay? You are not in trouble. We are here. I've been looking for you for a couple of hours. I'm very happy I found you okay. You are perfectly fine.
Yes, yes, everybody's okay. They're all good. Everybody's okay. Are you cold? Hot?
Okay.
Huh?
He said it was
Okay.
Well, you asking sweetheart, is you okay?
I was asking her if she was alright. Is this them? Okay. Yes, you can. Yep. Yeah, that's okay. Would you rather be outside or do you want to stay in here? Okay. Okay.
Very, very, very possible. Very possible.
So, Kim, you have that thing I gave you in your purse?
Hey, John.
Yo.
Hang out with him real fast so I can talk to him outside.
How old are you?
22.
Man.
Which one of these cars out here?
Kia.
One Bravo 55 Central, copy of Florida Tech. India, Golf 1-5 November Sierra on a blue Kia.
That's my mom.
Copy, thanks.
Still moving some a little higher. Yeah, you fucked up.
Tyler Thompson was initially charged with interference with child custody and traveling to meet a minor after using a computer to lure a child. Following further investigation, he was convicted and sentenced to 40 years in Florida State Prison, along with 45 years of sex offender probation for multiple felony child sex crimes. These included sexual battery by an adult on a victim aged 12 to 17, traveling to meet a minor, and 27 counts of possession of child sexual abuse material. Additional charges filed after his arrest contributed to the severity of the final sentence.